Hi guys, I hope you enjoy this little get ready with me I filmed. First I'm going to start with Lancome La Base Pro Primer. I always get my mascara during gift with purchase, so I get a little bundle of samples that I really enjoy using, and this is one of them. Now I'm going to use a wet beauty blender that I wrung out and the new Too Faced Do You foundation. I got it in the color Golden Beige. You might notice that there's something on my lips, and that's my Sleep Mask Lange lip mask, and it's really good to make your lips really moist and soft. Now I'm going to use my favorite powder, MAC Studio Fix, in the color NW20. To set my face, I dab it into my foundation, and then you can see once my foundation's kind of all set and won't move, then I can blend it out. If you see me looking to the side, I'm looking in a mirror on the wall. I like to get a closer look to make sure I'm blending everything okay. And now I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in the color Blonde. I start by making a line on the bottom from the inner corner all the way down to the tip so it's straight, and then I start doing a line on top, and then you can see me blend it into the middle. Clearly I need to get a new powder, but I used some of mine and went in and just added a little highlight under my eyebrow on my brow bone. Now I'm going to use my MAC Star Sighting Compact Palette that I got for Christmas. I'm going to first use this color as a transition color in my crease. You usually use like a darker but not too dark, a medium mid-tone as a transition. Now I'm going to put some bronzer in my crease. This is the Bare Minerals bronzer in the color Fox Tan. Now I'm going to use this rose gold color as a highlight on my lid. I always make sure I put it on my inner corner too for a little pop of brightness. Now I'm going to use this darker color to add some dimension to my crease and the outer part of my eyelid. Here I'm going to take a puffy blender brush that's clean with nothing on it and just blend out that darker color. Now I'm going to go back with that bronzer, Bare Minerals Fox Tan, and contour my face. I'm just using a Real Techniques blusher brush. And I'm going to use one of my favorite brushes, 05 Luminous from Milani. Unfortunately, my camera cut out while I was putting on my blush, but that's pretty easy. Put it on the apples of your cheeks. Now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, and it's the Kat Von D Tattoo Liquid Felt Tip Liner, and I find felt tip to be my favorite to get a nice wing. And you can just see here I start in the inner corner and go out, and I try and make it a straight line. A really good wing has a very sharp point, so that's what I'm doing here, just trying to make sure that it goes all the way out to a very sharp point. Now I'm going to put on mascara. This is the MAC Bad Girl Mascara in the color Black. There's also a little wand that's on the cap for your lower lashes, which is really nice. Now I'm going to use my favorite lashes, which is my Ardell Wispies. I use them on all my clients and I use them all the time. They're very natural but very pretty. And then I use my Duo Liquid Brush Eye Glue. The key to eyelashes is to make sure your glue is basically dried. It's really tacky, so once you put it on, it'll just stay where it is. It's not wet and will move around. I always start with my outer lash and then make sure that's right on top of my eyelashes, and I can drag it out if I need to, and then I stick the inside down and hold that down for a while to make sure that that really stays. The inner corner is what always pops off. I'm holding it upside down because it started to kind of drip down the eyelashes, so I'm holding it upside down so that it doesn't do that. You can see I struggle a little bit with my nails. That's okay. It's all right to just take it off and replace it. Now I'm going to use my Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream. Now that I'm all done, I'm going to take you guys over to my window so you can get a nice natural light look at the final finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here's a picture I took afterwards. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!